Results back from the intolerance test, and there was quite a few surprises. Now, for me, it wasn't too bad. The biggest hitters on my list were egg yolks. That was probably the most disappointing thing. Sorry, I'm just trying to look it up in the background here. If you just want to pause that for 1 second. My biggest ones were blackberries, 99%, noodles, pomegranates, cauliflower, bilberries, cottage cheese, apricots, egg yolk, buckwheat, rice milk, lamb, veal and casein. Now that was the food related ones. I'm allergic to wasps and a couple of other things in terms of non-food related, so not too many challenges there for me. Egg yolks I'm pretty surprised at. Again, I'm going to cut these out for a period of, I believe, minimum 6 weeks and see what the changes are. In terms of the day-to-day, there's not a huge amount on there that I do eat day-to-day. I would maybe have the odd serving of lamb, and again, egg yolks are probably a big one in my diet. But Amy's was a shocker. Amy's top ones were like beef, wheat, milk, so any cereals, oats, anything gluten, pastas, rice, bread, literally everything she enjoys. So yeah, that's going to be a bit of a downer over the next few weeks when she eventually tries to cut them out. Because she's not doing that right now. But mine's not too bad. Again, I'll cut those out for a period of 6 to 12 weeks to see if it makes any difference, see how I feel. But in all honesty, I don't have a huge number of digestive issues. If you constantly suffer from bloating, indigestion, stomach pains, again, it's something Amy struggles with when she does have like a meal at the Cheesecake Factory, which involves meatballs and spaghetti and bread, which funnily enough is very high in the list of intolerance. So if you are noticing that you get bloating or stomach cramps, digestion, potentially get a test like this done. It wasn't very expensive, maybe around £30, which is like $50. And we had the results within a couple of days. So well worth doing, some interesting results, and we'll see how this goes over a period of time. Watch is on, 4 miles to run. Here we go. About 1 kilometre in to the run. For reference, I do not run and haven't even done a run in about 4 months, maybe longer. So this is probably going to be a tougher 4 miles. Doesn't sound like a lot, but it is. It's going to be challenging. Job done. 42 minutes and 6.4 kilometres. I'm just going to finish this off with a little bit of sweet chilli. And there you have it. An easy, healthy, simple, literally this took 15 minutes meal prep that is chicken and rice, but actually tastes pretty fucking good. Got some salt on there to finish. That is my meal prep. These glass containers are really helpful as well. You will find the link for these down in the description. And we do have a recommended product list down there. So it is Tuesday afternoon, no training today. I moved my training days about because I had a webinar this morning. But we're pressing on with a shortcut right now. Again, I'm probably going to transition into a muscle building phase at the end of this week again. Push that for the next 2 months or so. And then, you know, I'll be kind of prepping towards my shoot towards the back half of the year. It was supposed to be in Vegas. It may still be, I'm not 100% sure. But it will be probably in a foreign location. So we'll see what happens. Depending on what our travel plans are, etc. We'll kind of tie it in with those later in the year. In terms of what changes day to day in terms of muscle building, really not much. The carbohydrate intake is probably the biggest variable when it comes to adjusting your training. Again, it is around 25 past 1. How I'm eating typically right now is 8 a.m. I will have something to eat. I get up around 5. I will then train just after 9, so about 9:30ish. Come back, something to eat about 11:30, quarter past. Then again, I will eat maybe around 2 p.m, 5 p.m, and 8 p.m. So I tend to eat every 3 to 5 hours that I am awake. I find this is better for satiation, muscle protein synthesis benefits as well. You're more anabolic throughout the day if you actually compare it. So there's a few benefits to eating every 3 to 4 hours. And that's the way I've enjoyed eating it and always have done. So that is the structure that I stick to. Again, go to the recipe playlist on my channel. There's dozens of recipes. We're putting out at least 1 or 2 a week at the moment. So again, go and get some fresh ideas and keep in the loop. That is superb. They're all incredible.